Welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. Today we are going, but I don't know where we are going. One of my friend from Pakistan, he Ejaz Ahmed, he invited me to the trip. There is one group. They just sent me the location of airlines, so airline in the hotel. So I just come here. So I think there is one bus. I just text him, so waiting him. After that, we will start our journey today. So I totally no idea where we are going. There's a lot of people, international people. So let's see.
We have our super big boss, Professor Wu.
Hello everyone,
He came early in the morning to help us. And we have another guest, special guest, Louis. He is actually one of the FRT, and he came to help us because a bit miss you guys a lot since the HSR Taichung. So he's here. And we have another teacher, Miss Liang Lao Shi. She's coming for taking pictures of you guys.
Okay, we are so happy to meet you, all of you. We love you, all of you.
Professor Wu is one of our cooperated with us together.
Hi, my name is Kappa. I'm from Taiwan. I stay in Taiwan for 30 years. Available today, tomorrow, or next year, or next month.
More than a year.
And more than boys, girls. Okay. Hi, okay, that's all. You have any question? Oh, okay, no, okay.
Actually, Kappa is the one who worked very hard for us. You see, in the morning, he didn't take breakfast, then he goes purposely for the hotel.
I'm a teacher here in Taipei. I have a lot of students, girls and boys, almost all available. So if you need, you can say it to me. In Taipei, we have a Wednesday night. Usually it's not to make couple, but I use it for it. So you can just say it, and then we can. Yeah, I just take a small commission. You can pay me in beer. It's okay. Yeah, French fries.
Okay. Thank you, Julia. Since yesterday night, Julia keep on promoting the Wednesday night. Is it? Oh, Wednesday night. So pocket option a lot, huh? Okay. The next one, this one is not available, so that this one is okay. Just listen. You don't mind him, okay?
Hi, good morning guys. My name is Ian, I-A-N. I'm from the Philippines, also studying in Taiwan as an MBA. MBA in Leisure Management or Tourism. I needed to mention the name.
Yes. The question is who? Then the answer will be in the name.
Why difficult?
Easy. 你快点啊，running out of time 呢？
I'm stuck. Can someone help me to
No.
answer?
You see, Joe,
Yeah.
you learn something, okay? Pastor, a name only easy lah.
Who was the person who asked me the question?
Filing.
Yeah, I want later.
Right now. Change. Can you see?
你的天真，我想珍惜。感到你想爱去，我会相信。